In today's video, I'll show you how to check HTTP traffic in Cloudflare using security analytics. This is useful if you want to understand what's reaching your website, monitor unusual traffic, or investigate a sudden increase in requests. Let's get straight into the main part. First, open your browser and go to the Cloudflare dashboard. Sign in to your Cloudflare account using your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the websites or domains connected to your account. Select the domain you want to investigate. If you manage multiple websites, make sure you select the correct domain because the traffic information you're about to view will apply to that website. After selecting your domain, look at the navigation menu on the left side. Find and open the Security section. From there, select Analytics. This will take you to the Security Analytics dashboard, where Cloudflare provides information about traffic reaching your website. Once the page loads, you'll see an overview of incoming HTTP requests. This information can help you understand how much traffic your website is receiving and identify unusual activity. You may see traffic from legitimate visitors, as well as requests that appear suspicious or potentially harmful. Pay attention to changes in request volume and unusual traffic patterns. For example, if your website normally receives a consistent amount of traffic but suddenly experiences a large spike, security analytics can be a useful starting point for investigating what happened. If you notice something unusual, take a closer look at the available analytics and traffic information. Use these details to understand what types of requests are reaching your domain and determine whether the activity looks normal. It's also a good idea to check the dashboard regularly. By knowing what your normal traffic looks like, unusual patterns can be much easier to recognize. And that's it. To check HTTP traffic in Cloudflare, simply sign in, select your domain, open Security, choose Analytics, and review the incoming request data. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Cloudflare and web management tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.